Would you like your Thermomix to help you even more in the kitchen? Discover the next generation of the Thermomix blade cover, the Thermomix Blade Cover and Peeler. This newly redesigned accessory brings additional convenience to your cooking. Just place the Thermomix blade cover and peeler over the mixing knife to safeguard your ingredients during sous vide or slow cooking. Now, the new stainless steel Thermomix blade cover and peeler can also clean, scrub, or peel for you. At the touch of a button, reverse the rotation and start rubbing the potato skins, avoiding the fuss and mess in the kitchen. Thermomix blade cover and peeler is convenient, effective, significantly reduces waste compared to manual peeling, and is also very easy to clean up. Now maximize your cooking success and let Thermomix take over the preparation of your ingredients while you fully enjoy the pleasure of cooking.